Rena, do you know what?
What, director?
People are misusing their friends and family to make money online.
Oh really, director? But how is that possible?
People are getting fooled by fake or false website and app developers. Yes bro. Even I got trapped in it. Oh really? Huh. My friend sent me a link on WhatsApp to join that app to see advertisements and get instant payments. So then, it was all rubbish. Can you tell us, my friend? That app showed me few ads and I earned 200 rupees from that. Okay then. Then I tried to withdraw that money. So you got that without any investment? No director. App asked me to deposit 1000 rupees to process the withdrawal. And you just did that. Yes, because for anybody like me it was a great opportunity to earn from home.
What happened when you deposited the amount?
Sister, I got the 200 rupees. But then it asked me to go for referrals. That means I was supposed to bring more members to join the same app. And on every referral they would pay me 400 rupees. Why would they pay you this amount? It's obvious, sir. They will take 1000 rupees from each new member and they are paying you 40% of that received amount.
That means new members will hunt more new members, and ultimately those app developers will be getting more money.
Exactly. That's how innocent people got trapped. Guys, don't get fooled and don't fool others. If you want to earn online, then put efforts and dedication. Because a success in real income never comes through these unfair gambling tricks and shortcuts.